Do you understand English, but feel nervous when you try to speak? Do words disappear from your mind when someone asks you a question? Don't worry. This happens to almost every beginner. In this video, I will show you simple and practical ways to improve your English speaking step by step. Speaking English is not about perfect grammar. Speaking English is about practice and confidence. You don't need expensive classes or native friends to start. You only need the right method and daily effort. Let's begin with the first method. Method 1. Start speaking with simple sentences. Many beginners try to speak long and perfect sentences. This creates fear. Instead, start with very small sentences. For example, I am tired. I am hungry. I like tea. Simple speaking is better than silent thinking. When you practice small sentences every day, your confidence slowly grows. Remember, fluency starts with simplicity. Method 2. Talk to yourself daily. Yes, you heard correctly. Talking to yourself is one of the best speaking practices. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. For example, you can say, "My name is Nelson. Today I will study English. I am feeling good." This helps your brain get comfortable using English words. At first, you may feel shy, but after some days, it becomes natural. Method 3. Describe your day in English. Every day, try to describe what you are doing. For example, I am eating breakfast. I am going to the market. I am watching a video. This practice improves real-life speaking. Your brain connects daily actions with English language. Even 5 minutes of this practice is powerful. Method 4. Learn useful daily conversation sentences. Instead of learning difficult grammar, learn useful speaking sentences. For example, how was your day? What are you doing? Can you help me? These sentences are used in real life. Practice them again and again. When someone speaks to you, your mind will respond faster. Method 5. Practice listening and speaking together. Speaking improves when you listen carefully. Watch beginner English videos with clear pronunciation. Pause the video. Repeat the sentence. This improves pronunciation and speaking speed. Try this for 10 minutes daily. Method 6. Don't be afraid of mistakes. This is very important. Many people do not speak because they fear mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning. Even advanced speakers make mistakes sometimes. If you speak, you improve. If you stay silent, you do not improve. So, speak freely. Method 7. Record your voice. Use your phone to record yourself speaking English. Then listen to your recording. You will notice your pronunciation and mistakes. This helps you improve faster. Try recording 1 minute daily. Practice section. Audience engagement. Now let's do a small speaking practice together. Repeat after me. My English is improving every day. I am not afraid to speak. I will practice daily. Practice these positive sentences regularly. Confidence grows with repetition. Daily 15 to 20 minute speaking routine. Here's a simple routine. 5 minutes. Speak simple sentences. 5 minutes. Listen and repeat. 5 minutes. Describe your day. 5 minutes. Review new words. Only 20 minutes daily can change your speaking ability. Remember, fluency is not magic. It is the result of daily practice. You may not see change in 1 week, but after 1 month, you will notice improvement. After 3 months, your confidence will be much higher. Never compare your beginning with someone else's middle. Improving English speaking is possible for everyone. Start with small sentences. Speak daily. Listen carefully. Practice without fear. If you stay consistent, you will definitely improve. Comment below and tell me, do you practice speaking English every day? If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more simple English speaking lessons. Let's improve together.